What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Quincyvlogs, and I'm back with another video. Let me see if I can take this camera up a different angle. We're finna try this new chicken Big Mac, y'all. I'm finna put this thing back on my head, my bad. But I got my food right here. I just never tried the chicken Big Mac meal, not yet, but I got it today, so I'm gonna try it today. You feel me? Put this on my head. But yeah, man. I've been hanging on in there, man. You know, keeping my faith and trust in God. You know, just seeking on knowing that He gonna make a way out of no way with everything, bro. Which He will. But other than that, man, I've been good, bro. For real. I've really been good. So I can't complain about nothing. God has been truly good to me. I was texting my girl. I was like, I just want to spend more time with her. I just be seeing her on Sundays because, I'll be wanting to spend more time with her. I can't wait through it. But, she didn't have no, really, no emotions. I feel like she didn't got, no emotions behind her. I'm just the type of nigga I want to see my girl all the time. I mean, every nigga like that. Let me turn my fan on. It's getting kind of hot up in here, but set you right there. Alright, y'all. Sorry I'm backwards. I'm all over the place in this vlog. But yeah, man. That's really what's on my mind. That's really what's been bugging me. I just want to see my girl more. Look, y'all. A large French fry. I'm gonna get some drink, goddamn. I put my drink in the refrigerator because I'm really recording on top of my refrigerator. Oh shoot. This will give me hiccups. I don't know, maybe I'm just weird. My body just weird. God, dog, it's been 3 minutes in the video already. Oh yeah, man. That's how I'm feeling lately. Enough of all this talking. Let's see how this chicken Big Mac tastes really fun. Oh shoot. Get a thumbnail or something like that. You feel me? Oh, that might look crazy. Let me see. Yeah, see that much? I look like a whole different nigga. Yes, Lord. It just tastes like a big old chicken nugget with lettuce. Goddamn. But it's still good. Bro, this Sprite is strong. I ain't even gonna lie, y'all. This Sprite strong as heck, like on some real stuff, bro. But it just tastes like a big old chicken nugget. Yo, I can't believe I'm 21. I'm finna be 22. But yeah, man. That's good. You know something. Y'all ever been in a relationship and you just feel like, you just think about stuff. You don't want stuff to go left. That's what I be thinking about. I be like, am I weird because I think like that, or like I don't know. But like when you actually really love somebody, like for real, and not like be on no BS. Like I'm not saying they on BS, but I just don't want to get my feelings played with. I mean, nobody does. But like, yeah, I mean, I be talking to God about stuff though. This sandwich alright. It's not really giving like that. It's alright. Cause I saw the everybody talking about the hype of it. Maybe cause I put it in the refrigerator, I didn't heat it up. Cause I had to upload my other video. Oh no. If you're not watching the video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm getting full already. Welcome to the vlog channel, man. I'm your host, Quincyvlogs. Welcome to the channel, man, for real. I should go live later today, but make sure y'all watch my recent video. I'm gonna just hop off the camera now, but just continue to promote today's video. You know, so yeah, I'm constantly promoting my videos, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. I love all y'all. But y'all, just pray for me. I'm gonna just give everything to God like I'm supposed to. You know. And that's what I'm doing. Giving it to God. Give everything to God, you know. So yeah, I'll see y'all later.